ProSource Wholesale is North America's premier partner and supplier to the trade for home and commercial remodeling projects. Our members-only showrooms offer an incredible mix of products in flooring, kitchen, and bath, with over 50,000 product choices. Our 400,000 members are builders, contractors, remodelers, installers, interior designers, architects, real estate professionals, and other trade professionals. With great wholesale pricing and beautiful showrooms, ProSource helps trade pros and their clients complete successful home improvement projects. Beyond the tremendous product selection and exceptional low prices, ProSource provides personalized service through dedicated account managers, in-house design experts, as well as online project management service. Are you a competitive and service-oriented business owner looking for your next opportunity? Now is the time to own a home improvement franchise and open your own ProSource showroom. Many of our franchise owners start with one showroom and expand ownership to multiple locations. We help you get there. From a vision for the future to solutions for your individual needs as an owner. Why do ProSource franchise owners love our unique B2B home improvement model? No retail hours, limited inventory, no installation services, no accounts receivable, lower overhead operating costs, and access to billions of dollars in buying power. With ProSource, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. We are committed to the success of our showrooms. We provide each location with an integrated system of marketing, training, buying, merchandising, and operational support. This support helps showrooms build traffic, expand their membership, and grab greater market share in their community. Owning a ProSource showroom is about more than selling home improvement products. It's about building long-lasting relationships with your customers. With a proven system and a commitment to the success of our owners, it's no wonder why ProSource Wholesale has been the best tool of the trade since 1991.